All right, so lofty expectations for this matchup as round one gets underway. Seems to be a striking advantage on one side, but on the other, truly a fighter who can do it.
And that guy will usually have the advantage on paper. When you're a striker, at this guy's level, that will normally balance out whatever advantage the other guy has.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the gentleman. Beautiful strike. Beautiful body kick.
Both fighters hanging down in the pocket and both landing. Well, he has certainly found the range and staying pretty busy here on the feet.
He's being busy, but it's also the timing and the accuracy that's allowing him to land so many attacks.
Just unable to quite find that range. Well, the champ Volcanoski continues to keep his opponent guessing here tonight. You lower the guard and he goes upstairs and was able to land the right hand there.
Landed that beautiful right hand. But if you start thinking leg kick, if you start thinking right hand, Alexander Volcanoski will change levels, explode into you. And when he gets his hands locked, you're going for a ride. This guy's a full-on mixed martial arts fighter. He's throwing bombs. Every time they come into contact, he is throwing bombs.
And both guys really throw over the top. This fight's going to be over, DC.
What a great way of mixing up his attack. He didn't stay the course. He mixed it up. He went high when his opponent thought he was going low, and now he's got him hurt very badly.
So just over 20 total strikes have now landed for Conor. Now looks a little wobbly on his feet.
He's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him. Oh, that was a really nice takedown. Nice guillotine attempt here. Oh, he's stuck in the guillotine. Now he's okay. Now he can escape.
Oh, he's going for his arm now.
He's gonna attack armbar here.
And he's out. Well, you got to stay busy on the bottom. He's
Now the
doing
guy's
it
got
here.
armbar.
Nice
He's
punch.
attacking it on him. Oh, man, that was slick.
Oh, nice job here staying busy off of his back. Nice offense from the bottom. All right, so pretty good damage here with the ground and pound. Nothing superficial about these strikes. They are intending to harm.
Oh, yeah, he's landing very accurately, and he's landing to get damage off.
Nothing to do about that, man. We can change this next round. We have to. We just no choice.
All right, here we go now, champ. Round two, Alexander Volcanoski. Against that man, you might recognize him. He is Conor McGregor.
Look at how he turns his hip over when he throws that kick.
Oh, that's a big connection there for McGregor, DC.
I mean, big strike landed for Ireland's favorite son, Conor McGregor. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Head kick. Connects with a right. Oh, and now his opponent in a world of trouble.
Such a sneaky head kick. He did not recognize it. God, and now he's got him hurt bad.
Man, he's just got a great feel for the striking realm early in this one.
The timing is on point. He's doing a great job of mixing everything up. Now he's on top of him looking for a finish.
Fight stats for you now, 59 total strikes have found the mark for Conor McGregor, and still above 50%, landing with 56% accuracy against Alexander the Great Volcanoski.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one up?
Oh!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Just missed with the left there. We have crossed the midpoint of this one. Whoa! Oh, look at that. He leapt up and landed the diving punch to the head. That'll do it! aggressive with his onslaught. He wanted to make sure he kept the judges out of the equation. Mission accomplished on that front as he gets the TKO victory here tonight. Oh, we'll take a look back at the highlights. You know we're going to find that nasty head kick somewhere in this highlight rip. Just an incredible result for him here tonight.
A very nice head kick to finish the fight, but don't ignore all the work he did with his hands, and give credit to the opponent. The opponent was in there every step of the way, and in order to get a fight of the night like he got tonight, both guys have to be willing to participate.
We send it inside the octagon to Bruce Buffer for the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Murgliata has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 39 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by